The new 2025 tax law, referred to as the One Big Beautiful Bill, is here and may bring significant changes for many Americans. Let's break down what this could mean to you and your family. First, lower tax rates are now permanent. The individual income tax brackets introduced back in 2017 are no longer set to expire. That can lead to sustained tax relief and potentially higher take-home pay for many working Americans. With broader brackets, more of your income is taxed at lower rates. This may impact middle-income earners, dual-income households, and hourly workers who may keep more of what they earn. Second, the standard deduction is bigger and set permanently. In 2025, the standard deduction is $15,750 for singles and $31,500 for couples filing jointly. About 90% of Americans who don't itemize may benefit from a simpler filing process and lower taxable income. Third, there's an update for seniors. The effective tax burden on Social Security benefits may be reduced for some as much as $6,000 senior bonus per filer over age 65. The deduction is temporary and phases out for high-income earners, but it seeks to help millions of retirees keep more of their benefits. Fourth, for those working extra hours, tips and overtime pay are deductible up to certain limits through 2028. This strategy aims to assist hourly workers, restaurant staff, first responders, and nurses who put in extra overtime. Fifth, a child tax credit is also expanded to $2,200 per child. Sixth, one of the biggest wins in the new tax law is the increase in the federal estate tax exemption to $15 million per person or $30 million for married couple with proper planning. This significantly reduces the risk of an expensive estate tax at death. With higher exemptions, Americans now have a powerful opportunity to seek to preserve ownership, protect family wealth, and transfer their legacy more efficiently if planning is done proactively. And finally, there are more deductions and credits for auto loans, estate planning, and paid family leave, plus a permanent paid leave credit for employers. All of this means more certainty, more savings, and more flexibility for the average American. Here's the bottom line. The 2025 tax law can provide lower tax bills, potentially bigger paychecks, better retirement protection, and more planning opportunities. Because knowing what's available is the first step to help make the most out of your savings. The new 2025 tax law creates real opportunities, but only if you understand how to use them. Lower tax rates, larger deductions, expanded credits, and new protections don't automatically translate into savings unless they're applied correctly to your situation. Schedule a complimentary 15-minute tax strategy session to see how the new law affects your income, your retirement, and your family's long-term financial security. We'll help you identify what applies, what you may be missing, and how to make the most of these changes now and in the years ahead.